We're going to make some pineapple supreme cupcakes today. Here you see we're going to just follow the regular old mix of the box. For the graham cracker crust, I got a pack of graham crackers, and I used like maybe a half a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of butter. That's what you see there in that bowl. For the cream cheese, here you see we're gonna make buttercream. I got cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, a little Cool Whip, and we're gonna use some juice from the pineapples here to make a pineapple buttercream for our cupcakes today. So I'll show y'all what they look like once we got them all in the pan and set up. I'll show y'all the setup. It's your girl Jack from Zola Fresh Market, and I'll catch y'all on the next clip.